Right, gather around everyone, gather around. Now, we've got a guest staying for a while. And Nick, can you take over? I'm too old for this.
Yes, sure, Terry. Everyone, this is Clementine. She'll be staying with us for a few weeks as she recovers from her injuries at the plane crash. Come on, say a few words.
My father is the CEO of Oil Medical.
Yeah.
Does anyone in this shithole have a phone?
Bravo 101, in position, breaching!
Quick break.
Yeah, stop here.
Those men, they almost killed me with their guns.
No shit.
I just want to get back home.
Tough.
I need to save my life.
And did I make a mistake?
My father will send his
Look.
men.
That place we just came from used to be an hospital. Me and Nick used to work there back in 2023, and then suddenly your father and his stupid company left the entire world in ruin. Now we're stuck out here staging the rebellion to try and get rid of him. It's all your fault.
Get on the ground, you're under arrest!
You wouldn't shoot the CEO's daughter, would you?
Run!